Hey, Todd Jones here with Rodeo Realty. I'm going to take you on a viewing of my new listing at 14960 Victory. It's a beautifully remodeled condo, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. It's right here, right as you walk in the gate. There's a bunch of buildings in this complex, so they each have individual gates. I had it unlocked so I could come right in. Parking is directly under the unit. It's 2 side-by-side covered spaces. We're right here on the front, unit 101. So the first thing you'll notice, it is completely remodeled. From floor to ceiling. They put in new flooring, new lights, new kitchen, new bathrooms. Beautifully laid out. By the way, this is a 360 camera. You can look up, down, turn around. I'd also like to point out that we were told that years ago, I guess after the Northridge earthquake, they did some remodeling and they did extra insulation on the walls. It is surprisingly quiet inside. So combine extra insulated walls with dual pane windows, you got a very nice, quiet unit. Kitchen is lovely. Stainless steel appliances, beautiful black backsplash, quartz countertops. Of course, you got the fireplace in the living room, a balcony. Over here we've got 2 bedrooms, one on the left, whole wall full of closets. In fact, I'll show you. So you can even put clothes there. I want to get an idea of the parking. It's directly below us here. So it looks similar to the one across the way there. I don't know if you can see there. All right. And then the bathroom, also totally redone. Side-by-side laundry, so you can put your side-by-side appliances here. It is a gas dryer. Very large primary bedroom. Look at this. Again, super quiet, like surprisingly quiet in here. And then in the bathroom, we've got a lovely step-in closet, right? And then the lights will turn on automatically. There we go. We've got a gorgeous shower, beautiful fixtures. Got a little bench, very handy. Dual sinks. I always say that saves relationships. Nice handles and fixtures. It's just beautiful. All right. There's also a pool in this complex. And if you'd like to take a tour in person, give us a call and we'll get you in. Thanks for watching.